In my personal case, at one point, not too long ago, I viewed myself as almost a lost cause. So to find a hospital that is able to offer me something that, you know, will potentially change my life I just feel incredibly lucky, really. Doing some fundraising for the transplant centre at Queen Elizabeth Hospital. So there's a dedicated ward for transplants. What I'm attempting to do is actually ride the length of the UK, so it's 1,000 kilometres, whilst I wait for my heart and liver.
And how long have you got left, Thomas?
I've got 0.9 of a kilometre. Yeah, there you go. You can see them there. That needs to hit 25, and that's the end of the 1,000 kilometres. Yeah!
Woo!
Hello mate, just want to say we're all super proud of you, brother. Can't believe what you've achieved, mate. It's really impressive. Keep on trucking, son, and we'll see you soon. Say love you, Bazza.
Love you, Bazza.
Bye.
See you soon.
Hi Tom, just wanted to send you some love and support from both of us. It's incredible what you're doing, and it's really difficult what you're going through at the moment, but at the end there's a whole new life for you when it's all done.
We're proud of you.
I'm proud of you and love you.
We love you.
$15 kilometres a day, sometimes 20, yeah. 100 kilometres a week, 1,000 kilometres. That's the length of the UK and Scotland, whilst in advanced heart failure with a drip in my arm. If anyone is, you know, of a mind to make a donation and help a really worthy cause, transform lives in the way that they're trying to transform mine, then please do follow the link and make a donation.
And how much have you raised?
To date we have raised £2,322, and with gift aid the hospital will receive £2,700 to go towards to the new transplant centre at Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Birmingham. I can't sing the praises of the various teams enough. Transplant team are incredibly skilled and compassionate. I think they really try to see the world, you know, from our perspectives, and actually throughout the hospital. I think the hospital as a whole tries quite hard to see things from our perspective. 97, 98, 99. Thank you very much.
Well done! Woo! It's finished!